What's going on, everybody? This is Umir. I'm from Stockhours, and I'm here to bring you guys a crazy trade review and an analysis of a trade I took today. Let's get started. If you guys look over here, here's my fills. I went in with about 13 contracts. I made about $5,407 on this trade. It was a roughly quick trade. I happened during market open, which is really risky, and I'll go into more detail later on why I ended up taking the trade the way I did and what was the reasoning behind it. I did have a very strict stop loss, so if the trade didn't go my way, I was ready to get out. I bought those contracts at $11.85 and my sell was around 16. It just varies, different fills. I bought the 780 calls. At the time they had the most volume and open interest. It looked like those are the better and safer option. I also could have went with the 800 calls, but I played it safe because of how heavy I was going in with. Now if you go and throw Tesla on the 1 hour, I will explain why I took the trade the way I did. So there's a rising wedge here that you guys can look at, and this rising wedge, I was looking at this in the pre-market. It looked good because if you look over here, we had a little bit of a jump from Friday into this upcoming week, which is today. It's Monday, right? Yep, which is Monday. We had a quick jump. Tesla was consolidating. I thought at the time this high pre-market high looked really good. That's what my plan was, so I was gonna end up taking that trade. Once the market did open, if we go at NQ, we saw that NQ ended up having red candles, which is why I got out as quickly as I did. I realized NQ isn't going my way anymore. It would be easy as to sell. My plan was to get in from a red to green candle, pushing up to the upside and continuing with the momentum that Tesla usually has been having. If you take a look at the previous days, you could see something like this. We had a bounce since close into open, we consolidated, and then we had another red to green candle the day before. So just that on Friday there was somewhat of a similar move that happened, but this one was a bigger push on Friday. Just today futures weren't in our favor and the stock ended up falling down, and whoops, and as you can see here, look what happened. I would go on demand, but the trade is recent, so I won't be able to do that and show you guys where I would get in, but it was at 9:30 a.m. let me see, and yep, so I sold at peak. It looks like probably a peak 9:31. Yeah, I got it pretty quickly and saved myself a lot of time. Let's see, the reason I got out quickly, I'm gonna explain over here. As soon as market opened, we saw NQ went to red to a green candle, but the next candle we have a much bigger red candle right after. Now if you took a look at Tesla, that red to green probably affected the stock price to push all the way here, make a new high of 756, and then just fall following futures. Yeah. Hey everyone, this is part 2 of the trade review of the trade that I took today. I'm going to go into further detail and explain why I took the trade the way I did, and yeah, let's go. If we do put Tesla, I want to show you guys this on the 5-day 1-minute chart, right? And we see what happened Friday. The trade I took today is similar to what happened Friday too. Let me show you guys. If you look here, we had yesterday's close, we had a bounce, consolidation. This one was a little bit tricky because we had a red candle where we thought there would be a lot of selling pressure, but buyers ended up stepping in and they bought the candle up, and we could see it broke pre-market high and pushed for the rest of the day. Lots of momentum over here. I was anticipating a similar move, but I had my risk management stop loss ready. I was up heavy already from the contracts moving crazy, so I ended up selling right around here. If I was greedy and thinking that the same move that happened Friday would happen today, I would have gone smoked like that. It also goes to show you that every trading day, you would think that similarly it pushed Friday, it would do the same thing again. You're gonna have that same stick management and your plan ready just in case things didn't go your way. Now look, if I got greedy and held, my contracts would have lost so much value and I would have been red for the day immediately. Yeah, that's just one thing I want to explain before I end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be in the Stockhours Discord. You guys can always hit me up if you have any questions, or any of the interns or managers. We're always here to help you. And yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you guys. You guys have a good one. Bye.